Welcome to our step-by-step guide on setting up and marketing our program through a workshop session. Let's get started. First, identify the objectives of the workshop. Determine if your goal is to educate participants about the program, provide training on marketing strategies, or increase sign-ups. Next, identify your target audience, such as accountants, bookkeepers, or finance professionals interested in earning additional income through our program. Choose a suitable venue for the workshop, such as a conference room, community center, or co-working space. Ensure it has the necessary facilities for presentations and group activities. Then, choose a date and time for the workshop that accommodates the availability of your target audience. Consider factors like weekdays versus weekends and morning versus evening sessions. Plan the structure and content of the workshop. Include an introduction to the program, its benefits, how it works, case studies, interactive exercises, and Q&A sessions. Prepare presentation slides, handouts, and other materials to support your workshop content, ensuring they are informative, visually appealing, and engaging. Develop promotional materials such as flyers, social media graphics, and email invitations to attract participants to the workshop. Use email marketing, social media, online communities, and professional networks to promote the workshop and encourage registrations. Arrive early to set up the workshop space, including seating arrangements, presentation equipment, and any materials or handouts. Greet attendees as they arrive and provide them with necessary materials, such as name tags or agendas. Present the content of the workshop, covering key points about the program, its benefits, and how to get started. Encourage participation through group discussions, activities, and Q&A sessions. Encourage participants to share their thoughts, questions, and experiences related to marketing and the DCI program. Offer individual assistance to participants who may need help signing up for the affiliate program or understanding certain concepts. At the end of the workshop, ask participants to provide feedback on the content, format, and overall experience. Use this feedback to improve future workshops. Send a follow-up email to workshop attendees, thanking them for their participation and providing additional resources, such as a workshop recap, program FAQs, or links to relevant content. Finish your video by thanking your audience and sharing further contact points.